Hi, how are you? Have you ever dreamed of creating your own amazing videos? Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel or create videos for your social media accounts. Whatever your goal may be, the right video editing tools can help you achieve it. In this video, I'm going to show you the best 4 free AI tools for video editing, perfect for everyone from beginners to advanced editors. With these tools, you'll be able to create professional-looking videos in no time. Our first tool is CapCut. CapCut is a free all-in-one video editor that's perfect for creating short, engaging videos for social media. It's easy to use and has a wide range of features, including basic video editing features like trimming, merging, and splitting clips, advanced features like keyframe animation, slow motion, and chroma key. A massive library of filters, effects, stickers, and music, text-to-speech, motion tracking, and background removal features, templates and tutorials to help you get started. To create a video with CapCut, simply open the app and select the New Project option and select your video aspect ration. Then, import the video clips that you want to use. Once your clips are imported, you can start editing. CapCut has a wide range of editing tools that you can use to create your video, including trim and merge clips. To trim a clip, simply drag the handles at the beginning and end of the clip to the desired length. To merge 2 or more clips, simply drag them onto the timeline next to each other. Add filters and effects. CapCut has a massive library of filters and effects that you can add to your video. To add a filter or effect, simply tap on the effects icon and then select the desired filter or effect from the list. Add music and stickers. CapCut also has a wide range of music and stickers that you can add to your video. To add music, simply tap on the music icon and then select the desired song from the list. To add a sticker, simply tap on the stickers icon and then select the desired sticker from the list. Add text. To add text to your video, simply tap on the text icon and then type the desired text into the box. You can then customize the text's font, size, color, and alignment. There is way more that you can use. Once you're finished editing your video, simply tap on the Export button and select your resolution of video to save it to your device. You can then upload your video to anywhere. That's how to use CapCut to create amazing videos for any social media. Our second tool is Captions.ai. It is a free AI-powered tool that makes it easy to add captions to your videos. It's perfect for creators of all levels of experience, from beginners to advanced. To use Captions.ai, go to Captions.ai, click on Product section, and then click on Add Subtitle. After that, simply upload your video to the website and select the language that you want to add captions to. Captions.ai will then transcribe your video and generate captions automatically. Once the captions have been generated, you can customize them to your liking. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment of the captions. You can also add effects to the captions, such as animation and drop shadows. Once you're happy with the captions, you can download the captioned video to your device. You can then upload the captioned video to YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media platform. And you can also compress your image size or eye contact of video by simply going to Products section. That's it. That's how to use Captions.ai to add captions to your videos. Our next tool is Unscreen. Unscreen is an AI-powered tool that can remove the background from your videos and images in seconds. This makes it easy to create professional-looking videos and images without the need for expensive editing software. To use Unscreen, simply open the website and select the video or image that you want to edit. Once the video or image is loaded, simply tap on the Remove Background button. Unscreen will then use its AI algorithm to remove the background from your video or image. You can then adjust the settings to get the desired results. For example, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation of your video or image. You can also add a new background to your video or image. Once you're finished editing, simply tap on the Export button to save your video or image to your device. You can then share your video or image on social media or use it in your own projects. Our last tool is Adobe Podcast Enhance. It is a powerful tool that can remove noise and echo from voice recordings and make them sound as if they were recorded in a professional studio. It's perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, and anyone else who wants to improve the quality of their audio recordings. To use Adobe Podcast Enhance, simply upload your audio file to the website and select the desired settings. The tool will then process your audio file and remove any noise or echo. You can then download the processed audio file and use it in your podcast, video, or other project. Adobe Podcast Enhance is a great tool for anyone who wants to improve the quality of their audio recordings. It's easy to use and produces high-quality results. If you're a podcaster, YouTuber, or anyone else who creates audio content, I highly recommend checking out Adobe Podcast Enhance. And that's it for the best 4 tools for video editing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. And if you're feeling inspired, why not create your own video using one of the tools I mentioned? Share it with me in the comments below and I'll be sure to check it out. Till then, peace out.